15 pendulums, watch them fall into chaos and back again. Because each rod is built a little longer than the last, the equation dictates that the longer the rod, the slower the swing. When first released, they swing perfectly in step. But as the slight timing differences add up, a beautiful, fluid wave rolls down the line. As the phase shifts continue, the single wave splits apart into crossing pairs. The patterns multiply and fragment until the entire system dissolves into pure chaos. But the math is perfectly tuned. At the exact end of the sequence, every pendulum completes a whole number of swings and snaps perfectly back in line. One full cycle, then it repeats forever. Because no pendulum is connected and no pendulum knows about the others. The mesmerizing pattern is just timing made visible.